Welcome back to Honest Ride Radar. Today we are diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome. Known originally as one of the most iconic American trucks, the W900 has always been a symbol of power, prestige, and reliability. But for 2025, Kenworth has taken this legendary platform and transformed it into a luxury motorhome that blends rugged trucking heritage with five-star comfort on wheels. Imagine the raw presence of a big rig combined with the refinement of a luxury RV, and you've got the W900 Motorhome. The first thing that strikes you about the 2025 W900 is its unmistakable exterior. Kenworth hasn't abandoned the classic long-nosed design that enthusiasts love. The chrome grille, bold hood, and extended cab dimensions scream tradition, while modern LED headlights and aerodynamic touches add a futuristic flair. Its sheer size makes it command attention on the road. And unlike conventional RVs, this one is built on a trucker's dream foundation, meaning durability and power are never in question. Under the hood, you'll find options like a Cummins X15 engine, delivering immense horsepower and torque, capable of hauling not only the motorhome, but also any trailer or toys you'd want to bring along. Paired with an advanced automated transmission, it delivers smooth power delivery while keeping fuel efficiency in mind. Kenworth has also integrated modern driver assist technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warnings, and advanced braking systems, ensuring that even long drives across highways feel less fatiguing and much safer. But step inside, and this motorhome reveals its true magic. The 2025 W900 Motorhome interior is a masterpiece of luxury. Designed with premium materials, you'll find leather seating, real wood accents, soft touch panels, and ambient lighting that instantly make it feel like a high-end residence. The living space includes a full lounge with recliners and entertainment systems, a gourmet-style kitchen with induction cooking, solid countertops, and high-capacity refrigeration, and of course, a dining area with space to host family or friends. The bedroom area rivals boutique hotel suites, offering a king-size bed, memory foam mattress, and abundant storage. There's also a luxury bathroom setup with a rainfall shower, premium fixtures, and even smart climate control. Kenworth has also equipped this motorhome with full connectivity, Wi-Fi systems, satellite TV, and smart home integration, allowing you to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment right from your smartphone. For those who dream of adventure, the W900 Motorhome comes with extended storage bays, perfect for outdoor gear, bikes, or even compact off-road vehicles. Solar panels on the roof and large-capacity water and fuel tanks make it ideal for extended off-grid living. It's essentially a self-sufficient rolling mansion with the heart of a truck and the soul of a luxury resort. In essence, the 2025 Kenworth W900 Motorhome is more than just transportation. It's a lifestyle statement. It captures the essence of open-road freedom while delivering unmatched luxury. For travelers who want to combine American trucking heritage with ultimate comfort, this is the dream machine.